Dothra cara victebi aris orthen shan Bothen derid jithraba Covedim oithrav I wish forever, ancient one, and Son of the living God, a hut out in the wilderness, to make it my abode. A shallow pool, but very clear, to flow beside the place where all our ills are washed away by your holy grace. A pleasant woodland all around, to shield it from the wind, and make a home for singing birds, outside it and within. A sunlit site just for the heat, a stream along the field, a smooth green land with rich deep soil, to nurture all earth's seed. A lovely room fit home for you, adorned with linen fine, where over the white sacred page the sun and moon will shine. A little house where all may dwell, and bodies care be healed, where none show hate or arrogance, none think an evil deed. The garden I will tend and keep, and will not conceal fresh sweet leeks and hens to keep, salmon, trout, and bees. My share of clothing and of kind, from the King of fairest face, and I to sit at times alone and pray in every place. Dothra caravik debi, Aris often shan. Bothen derut jithrava, Kuvede maithrav. Dothra caravik debi, Aris often shan. Bothen derut jithrava, Kuvede maithrav. Dothra caravik debi, Aris often shan. Bothen derut jithrava, Kuvede maithrav.